on our weather. Let's turn things back to Chief Meteorologist Lainey Pope. Lainey, good to see you. You said there was some rain happening later on this week, right?
Yeah, so Thursday is the day when we will most likely see showers and thunderstorms returning. We'll have your 7-day forecast in a second, but you know what? We're going to get to enjoy some really nice days on the front end of this week. It is back to school for a lot of folks. We've got temperatures tomorrow morning in the low 60s in the Triad. Even in the afternoon, it's comfortable because we have low humidity with a forecast high of 85. We are counting down to fall, although it's not official. 30 days we are away from that first day of fall, September 22nd. We just have kind of a fall feel out there. Those less humid days ahead. Also temperatures that are very tolerable, and we're going to talk about the tropics too. There's a couple things out there that we're keeping an eye on. Meanwhile, our temps right now low to mid 80s, so 84 in Greensboro and Burlington. The official high today was 85, 82 in Mount Airy as well as Wilkesboro. Dew points very low. In fact, they are in the 50s, and yeah, anything below 60 is really pleasant, so we're enjoying that for sure. And you can see that cooler air up toward Charleston, West Virginia. Temps are in the upper 70s. That front, of course, came through kind of noisily with some storms last night, but now we're enjoying some of the refreshing air that is behind it, as well as the mainly clear skies. So we've got clear skies for tonight, more sunshine for your Monday, off to kind of a cool start in the morning for August, a low 60s, and then we'll quickly warm up to about 86 tomorrow afternoon. We have a light northwest wind. We do have sunshine morning, midday, and afternoon for the foothills. Also a sunny day on Monday, starting close to 60 degrees, and then an afternoon high of about 84. Our mountains forecast may actually bring us some 50s to start tomorrow morning, and then we'll see temperatures that are into the upper 70s by late tomorrow afternoon. That front is kind of stalled out just to the east. We do think it's going to stay just east of us over the next several days. If there are showers and thunderstorms, they should be over eastern North Carolina. Early Tuesday morning, we're around 60 degrees as well. Tuesday afternoon, 70s in the mountains, mid 80s across the Triad. Another dry day. Into Wednesday, it'll start to get a little bit more humid. We may see a few more clouds on Wednesday, maybe an isolated shower or storm, but I do think right now it looks like Thursday will likely be the stormier of the days. In the Piedmont Triad, the Winston-Salem Open is happening in Winston-Salem at Wake Forest University Tennis Complex. You've got some great days for viewing. Low humidity Monday and Tuesday. Foothills forecast also comfortable on the front end of the week. Scattered storms returning by Thursday. Mountains also with storms in here by late week. Speaking of storms, there is an area of showers and thunderstorms right now that is not too far from Bermuda. It's about 400 miles southeast of Bermuda, but it is expected to stay east of Bermuda and take a turn to the north in the coming days. It's not yet tropical, could become a tropical depression or a tropical storm, so we'll watch for that. Also coming off of the coast of Africa, expecting an area of low pressure to form tomorrow. It potentially could become tropical as well, so we'll be watching that this week too. Here's your 7-day forecast. You'll see the temperatures staying at or below normal in the afternoon. Our best rain chance right now on Thursday.
You're watching WXII 12. And now, the Modern Automotive Sports